In the previous video, we saw that how we can implement a OR gate using your circuit switches. Now let us see how the same we can verify with your logic gate available in the multisim. So how to do that? So you go to this library and here you click on all groups. So if you are not sure that in which library it will be there, so you can use this trick. So then you search here for OR. Okay, so once you search it, you will see OR2, OR3, OR4 it is coming. So what does that mean? Basically it implements the number of inputs I am going to use. In this case we will be just verifying a 2 input OR gate. So I will just take a 2 input OR gate, or else what you can do, you can search for this 7-4 series also. 7, for example 7400 is your NAND gate, 7402 is NOR gate. So this also you can use, but in our case for simplicity we will be using this OR gate, simple OR gate here, and I will just place it here. Okay. Now once the OR gate is here, so what else I need? Let me just zoom in. Okay. So what else I need? I need 2 switches or 2 inputs, right? So for that, instead of having a switch and a battery source, so in multisim there is an option, you can take a interactive digital switch. So if you type just interactive in all families, all groups here, so find interactive. So if you type just interact, it will come interactive digital constant. So I will take it and I will place it here. I will tell what happens with this. Okay, now I have 2 switches here. Now you can see if I click on the switch, the value is changing from 1 to 0. So like this, you can have 2 inputs which can replace your values as 0 and 1. Instead of having a switch, you can have this. Okay, next is what I need to see the output. As you can see here, only one output is there, means one terminal is there. There is no space to connect other terminal if you take a LED here. In that case, there is another option, we can take a probe. So you go to this all groups and search for a probe here, or it comes under the category of indicator actually. So I will take a probe here. So you see there are different ports are there, like blue is there, then green is there, then digital red is there. So let us take the red one, which will be visible in simulation properly. So I'll take this probe and I will keep it here. Fine. Now this probe will be connected to the output of the OR gate. Fine. Now what we have done? So we have just connected the probe to the output, and here 2 inputs are there. So these 2 interactive switches I will connect it 2 inputs. Fine, now 2 inputs are ready. So this completes my circuit actually. In this case there is no ground connection required because we are not using any power source here. So now if I simulate the circuit, let's see what happens. So input is 0 0, then your output is 0. If any of the input is 1, that's OR gate, so output is 1 through the probe you can see, and here another one is there. If you switch on this one also, make it to 1, then also the output is 1. If both are 1, then also the output is 1. This is how you can easily simulate a OR gate using multisim. In the next video we will see how to implement the AND gate as well.